Look at you right in front of me. You look very nice today. You're doing a great job for yourself. It's a good day. So it's starting to get cool out. And if you haven't yet, you should be thinking about putting away the things that you use in the summertime, whether that be a boat, a lawnmower, weed whacker, leaf blower, probably a chainsaw, which, you know, if it's stormy out, it is kind of nice to have one around, but kind of get them ready, get things ready for winter. And we have what you need. I keep looking down at all these items, figuring out which way I'm going to go first. We have what you need, mostly, for winterizing things, including RV antifreeze. I didn't even grab RV antifreeze. That's like the most important thing. So we have RV antifreeze. The first thing you probably want to do is make sure that you're ready for the fuel not to be a problem. And we have various products here at the store for that, some fuel stabilizers. I grabbed a couple examples. I probably should have grabbed one other one that I just thought of, but yeah, I'm always in a hurry and doing this stuff last minute like I am everything. So we just throw this together, you know? This isn't like scripted or professional or even that great. But here you are, looking your best, listening to me. So we'll start with Stable. This is the Stable storage formula, and you add this to your fuel. This will treat up to 20 gallons of fuel, and 1 ounce treats up to 2.5 gallons. So that's like math. There's a handy little thing on the side here that's graduated that tells you how many ounces. So you can like squeeze a little bit into that and then up to the level, and then you just pour it in, whoop, and then you're done. And then this is the marine version of the same thing. And my preference is this one because this one costs a smidge more, but this will treat up to 80 gallons. That's a lot more. That's like 3 times more. Yeah, right? I don't know. I'm a high school dropout. We're going to put the math on the screen. We're going to Google it. Thank you, Google. 20 to 40? 20 to 80? 20 to 80. That's 4. That's 4 times more. We'll leave that in, though. I will allow myself to look this stupid. I also carry Startron. Some people like that brand. 1 ounce of this treats 6 gallons. And 1 ounce is yeah, it actually says 1 cap treats a half a gallon. So you pour a little snootful in here, and then, yeah. If you didn't treat it, you may need something like dry gas, get the water out. I do have 2 different versions of that, isopropyl alcohol, and whatever the regular one is. It's not isopropyl alcohol, it's some other thing that is gets rid of dry gas. So yeah, that's that. I'm sounding like I know what I'm talking about hard today, right? I got this all figured out. One thing that you may want to do, if it's something that you store, is pull out the spark plugs and spray a little fogging oil in the cylinders. That keeps the rings from sticking to the cylinders, so I do keep some of that around. I carry True Fuel here. I have big and little. This is 110 ounces, and this is 32 ounces. So this is actually a quart, and this is just shy of a gallon, because it's 128 ounces in a gallon. See, I do know something. I know that. Spray down things that you don't want to rust. So we keep like lithium grease, and also, you know, like WD-40 and various other products like this. Just spray them down, especially, you know, moving parts. Good to lube them up, make things happy. So we keep that on the shelf. So if you haven't thought about that, even like your little door hinges of your car, you know, the hood latch, that's really good to lubricate those items and keep them working properly. So nothing like trying to pull your hood latch and nothing happens. That's not fun. So we carry items like that as well. And then if you didn't, and things don't want to start, sometimes starting fluid will get you out of a pickle. A couple little squirts of that stuff, and Yeah, you might. It's like hope in a can. It may work. It may get you started. Kind of like the dry gas and stuff. It's hope in a bottle. You hope it works. Hopefully you didn't wait too long or go too far with it, and it's not going to work. But so yeah, just some ideas. It's that time of year, and it's good to get things put away. And if you're like me, it's last minute and you haven't done it yet. So just a friendly little reminder that think about these things, and hopefully you'll save yourself some headaches in the spring when you take all this stuff out of storage, and you go, "Thank you, Percy. This works so great now. You not only did you remind me how beautiful and wonderful I look and handsome and all of the above, you helped me with the things running. Like things run now. That's awesome." Feel free to comment down below if you enjoyed this little thing of me rambling on, whether it's been evening or morning or afternoon. I appreciate you getting so fancied up for me and taking the time to listen to me ramble on. So great. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next Tuesday.